Today we have an unboxing to do. Just got home from work and I had to check these out. I ordered them about 2 weeks ago. So let's see what it is. Salomon. We have the XT-4 OG in the Eden, bright lime green, and white. So this is what I'm seeing. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Okay, let's check these out together. So we see this side of the shoe, it has a nice darker green at the toe, and then it fades into the lighter green in the back. This is nice. Isn't it? Let me put this down. Okay. We have the signature blue, red, and yellow that all the Salomons have on their tongue. Salomon Lab right here. These are my first pair of XT4s. I have 3 pairs of XT6. But these are first for me. This is nice, the black here. Inside also has that lighter, fades to the darker. Bottom has that black, green, black, green, black, with the red right here in the middle. And over here it says the AC skeleton. It's a nice shoe overall. And now we're gonna have our on feet portion. Glad to have these. I haven't seen anyone do a review or really show them off on YouTube, so I thought I'll put my 2 cents in since I already ordered them and I wanted to see what they look like beforehand, but I didn't get a chance to. Yeah.